What is going on, everyone? It is Mr. 64 on my Super Anime Brothers 2 account, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple animation. But this time we're going to be using special effects to make your videos brighter. Now, just to reiterate, this is for advanced users only, so if you think this video is very complicated, turn off this video now. Nevertheless, we'll begin. So the application you'll need to make special effects is Adobe After Effects. Now, Adobe After Effects is a special effects program which you use to make visual effects and special effects in your animations or movies. To start, you must make a new composition. You need to name your composition of the effect you're doing and set the duration of how long the effect will last. The background color and frame rate are optional, but I suggest using 60 frames per second for smooth quality. But sometimes, if you want your series to be cinematic, go for 30 frames or 29.97 frames per second. Now you have your composition ready, you have to pick out the effects from the Effects and Presets tab. You'll find certain effects within this tab. And once you have your desired effect, you can now play it back. And once you've finished making your effect, you have to export it using the render queue or Adobe Media Encoder queue. I suggest using the render queue because it's quicker and straightforward. And then you render the effect. And once you hear that sound, that's when the rendering process of your effect is complete. Now, we're going to take you to a Premiere Pro, even though we've used it in the previous part, to remove the black background. Now that you're in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can now render the effect for real this time. Once you've got your effect that you made from Adobe After Effects, by using Color Key, you can remove the background and change the color of it by using Tint. So, there we have it. You have your effect completed. I've been Mr. 64, and I will see you in the final part of how to make a simple animation, which is sharing.